Hi guys, it's Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. We did the swimming pool. This is about 85,000 liter. We put the new light, we put the new marble light, and we also installed for the heat pump. We already done for the heat pump and put the new breaker. And this we changed the filter sand also. The new sand for the 3 bags of this sand. The pump is okay, so it's the new fittings. So let me show you when you connect the pump. So this is only got the blue one is its inlet, the red one is outlet, right? So the inlet is need to be go from here, right? This one, the lever, let me show you the filter lever. It's having a 5, right? 1 2 3 4, like 1 2 3 4 5. So that one, the down one, have to be inlet, right? So the inlet is going to the water, the heat pump inlet, and the out one, this red one, this out is going to the down, like it's going in the pool, where you put the connect the creepy, right? So outlet is going direct to the where you connect the creepy, right? And this pump, this is a pump for the outlet, right? So this outlet is going to here on the top one, right? The down one is going inlet, and this one is going to the out for the pump. This one is just taking the water out, like if you're doing the backwash. This one is in for the filter, this one also is in for the filter, and this one is just like going for the pool, like this one is for the creepy one. Which one is going in the ground, right? Is going in the creepy one, this side, next to the filter. So this one is going to the creepy, and this one going here, and that other one is going down. This one is for the out from, like on top where you put the filter, they like small jars when the water is circulating. So that's all.